Hey, you guys, it's Jonaekyoshee. Welcome to my little TikTok. Follow, follow. Okay, y'all went crazy when I posted my reaction about the Capone book one, season one. So, y'all about to watch me read Capone 2 because I already started to read it. Pause. There's gonna be some spoiler alerts. So, if you don't want to know anything, this ain't the video for you. Okay, let's go. And Jaden's okay. His baby mama is no longer his baby mama. Y'all, spoiler. Sorry, spoiler. Okay, all right. I'm there, and then we got Naheem. He thinks Capri is such a good wife, right? But he keeps cheating on her with the town's hoe, Tasha. And Tasha's lying motherfucking ass. Baby, that's not his kid. That's not his kid. And then we got Erin. She, Jaden and the ex baby mama, they're on the way to recovery, and BA is not given that's going to be his career, but it's okay. We're there. And then where did I leave off? I left off where Capone walks on her like, "You ignoring me," at the hospital. Okay, so we're there. That's where I am, and that's where we're gonna pick up. Okay, it is 8:27 p.m. I'm in Colorado Springs, y'all. Let me know what y'all reading, and we about to get into this read. Watch me read Capone, book 2. Okay, Lego. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know how to say your name. I think Janine or Janie Santana on TikTok. I see your comment, girl. I see your comment. I see you. I was like, let's buddy read because I guess we didn't like how the ending of the first book left off. So yeah, she just told me she's on chapter 8. Oh, okay, let me respond. Hey, girl. Y'all know what really gets me in a little fuss? Because Naheem, why you cheating on Capri? She's a lawyer, baddie. You're weird. You know what could happen to you? This is the vibes. Okay. All right, we're starting on page 46. I'm on chapter 5. So let's go. What is wrong with Joe? No. Joe checking up on her and she making sure Capone love her. I see her already. Okay, I'm okay with it. Jaden's baby mama, well, ex baby mama, her mom pisses me off. Yuck. Mm. It is their business when you left that girl at their house. They didn't know her. Exactly. Mhm. This shit. Mm. Tell them. She wants somebody to keep her child safe. She won't even talk to her child. Dumb hoe. Mm-hmm. Vacation. Now she want to be mother of the year. Right. Now she's moving in with Capone. That shit was very new. Why he got this girl moving in with him? What is going on? Trying to get Aaron to get out the hospital and go get some fresh air, pretty much. She's only 16. I think he's like in high school. He's a baby. She's in 2 weeks. Okay. He got her in the dang car out the hospital. Okay, I'm on page 50. I'll be back if there's any more tea. All right, because it's 11 minutes and 22 seconds. Y'all, I came back to tell y'all I need me a Capone. Because why is he washing Aaron? Like, and then he's like talking about his intimacy that wasn't good with Ella, but with Aaron, that's pretty much what he craves. hmm I like him. He reminds me of West Oakland Beach Tuesday. I like a nigga who likes to what? Lay low. I like him. Pick me at a Draco. Why are they so cute? Aaron and Capone is cute, honey. Where is this? Hold on. Capone just told Aaron that he loves her. She had nothing to say. She do got a lot going on. Hold on. So Timmy got away from that house. Naheem and Tasha was because how did he get out of the house? Naheem is pissing me off. Ugh. Y'all, Naheem just told Capone that Timmy is not his. Oh my gosh. They all done hit that nasty. Okay. Ugh. Holy on. So Capone just got to the house, right? And he told Tasha to drop her drawers and stick her fingers up it. What the fuck? Girl, you. Oh my gosh, what is happening? He is insane. My mind is blown, y'all. Ella, I know y'all was just fucking last week, and now he's in love with Aaron, who he's known for 5 minutes, all the 5 minutes. But this is how the bridge has failed for you. So let him go. I know it's easier said than done. Capone and Ella is the reason why my man, whoever he is, wherever he is, can't have no girl best friend. Because they are two best friends who crossed the line, had a kid, their son, his junior, and then their daughter is not on the earth. But now their relationship is ruined for life, it looks like. And he don't want her. Like, that's awkward. He told her, he grabbed that thing and said, "This ain't yours, it's Aaron's." I like Capone. Yeah. The only way he would move on from her is if she was unalived. What is gonna happen? I'm not. I took a break from the Zoo Boys because Fo had just got shot, and this ain't a break. This is detrimental. This is fucking with me. Oh no. Don't give me friends like Ella and Tasha, cause ew, yuck. Ella had a whole plan to for Capone to see her. He used her. She used his sister. This is disgusting. This is sick. Disgusting. I don't like her at all. All right, y'all. It's 9:45 p.m. and this is where we're gonna end it. This little video. I'm on page 82, chapter 7. Mm-hmm. Real good. Page turner. Let me know if you like this video. This is my first time doing a video like this. If you did, put it in the comments and I'll do another one. This book is getting good. And I'm scared. I'm nervous. Like, what's going to happen next? Like, I'm so mad I'm late to the show, but it's so worth it. I hope you guys have a good night, a good day. Thank you. Follow me. See you later.